Hey guys, got something really exciting for you today. This is a personal invitation to an advanced fishing seminar with Paul Senior and Mark Kitteridge. Now inside the seminar you're going to learn how to catch trophy snapper the easy way. So there'll be insider secrets, hot tips, unique techniques for soft baits, hard lure and bait. This is for all anglers. If you're a newbie, if you're medium, or if you're an advanced fisherman, there's something in this seminar for you. Now Paul Senior has been around the Auckland area for a long time as a charter operator. He owns Ocean Angler, which is a range of fishing equipment specially for New Zealand conditions. He writes for the New Zealand Fishing News, and he also has Ocean Angler TV, where he shares his fishing techniques. Mark Kitteridge is a published author on fishing. He has books out in the marketplace. He works for New Zealand Fishing News, and no doubt, I'm sure all of you would have read one of his articles over the years. Now here's what you're going to get on the day. Mark is going to kick the seminar off with advanced soft baiting. This goes for approximately 45 minutes with questions at the end of it. So you'll get to ask Mark, who's an expert on soft baiting, the questions that you've always wanted to know the answers for. Session 2 is with Paul. He's going to look at detailed fish finding techniques and trip planning. Now this is something that most people get very, very wrong. So Paul's going to share what he does before he goes out on a trip. Session 3, Mark is going to look at stray lining for trophy snapper. Now Mark Kitteridge is an expert on catching large snapper in shallow water, so he's going to share his techniques with you, and once again you can ask him questions after Session 3. Session 4 was with Paul Senior. This is on advanced hard lure fishing techniques. Now Paul Senior is out most weeks testing hard lures. He would be one of the most experienced hard lure fishermen in New Zealand. So once again 45 minutes with Q&A at the end of it. Session 5 is a hands-on session where you can learn the knots that these guys use to catch the big fish. That is approximately 45 minutes, and that's a one-on-one session. The class size will be limited to 20 to 25 people, and this will create an atmosphere where you can freely ask questions, get hands-on personal advice, and speak to these guys directly. So this is a really fantastic opportunity, and it's a once in a lifetime, so don't miss out. Register your interest below this video, and someone will be in contact with you shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.